welcome back to our third video. My name, just saying, is Rebecca, and I've got two other YouTubers, but they're not in this video. And if you want, give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button of the notification, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we've got this, and what we're going to do is we're going to tip the glue in it. And we're only going to use like a half of the bottle, and I just need to unwrap. No, it's already unwrapped. So what I need to do is it's going to get tipped in or poured in like that. I'm only using a half bottle because that's the last bottle we have. And I'm just going to take the lid off for a quicker way. Okay. Half of the bottle done. Okay, then what we need to do now is we're going to put all three of these in it. Okay, first we'll start off with the blue. It's going to be like a rainbow slide. Okay, we're going to start off by taking it off. And then what we're going to do is just press the limb. Press. It's done. So this is going to be like a rainbowy slime. And this rainbow slime is clear, but it probably won't because I'm adding green and stuff in it. So, the green's all empty. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little mix with our mixer. And our mixer gives us a helping hand. Okay. So what we need to do is screw it on. What we're going to do is we're going to get mixing, and you see how it's all mixing in like clear glue. Give it a little mix, and then after we're going to add the borax in. I'm probably going to use it from the borax we made. Borax is like the borax powder and hot water or cold water, and mix it in for a little bit, and then it comes borax. If you didn't know how to make borax. So it's coming out good. Now I'm going to add a little bit of our borax. Okay, our borax is like water, but we just need to give it a little mix before we put it in. And let's put a little bit in it at a time, a teaspoon at a time, and we'll give it a mix again. And it's going to dissolve into the slime, and the slime's going to, just get it mixing in, and the slime's going to turn into clear, stretchy slime. But if it turns out bad, we'll give it a thumbs up next time. Okay, so we'll just mix that in. It still looks a little bit lumpy. We can, if you've got one of these, if it starts sticking, that means it's good. But if it doesn't, add a little bit more borax and see how it goes. Okay. A couple of more spoonfuls of the borax, and then we'll get mixing again. The borax doesn't really matter. The borax will look like, the thing came off. The borax would look a little bit like water. Because the borax powder, because you need to put it in it. And it has some glitter from the other one, the other YouTube channel that we did. And they made slime, and one of them were clear, and they didn't really work out. So they did a thumbs up for next time. Okay, let's get mixing and mixing. Okay. It's turning out good, but I probably need to add a little bit more. It doesn't matter if it's gone sticky, it means you haven't added that much borax, so then you needed to add more if it's not that sticky. And next time you can try and make it. The thing came off again. Make it without. And there's other different ways for making slime. Like there's making slime without any glue, without any borax, without any like stuff to put in it, and that doesn't really work out. And sometimes you can use Hands body wash. Okay. Oh, looks like it's ready. Okay, see, I'm gonna give it a little feel and see how it's going. Oh, it needs a little bit more. It's not really sticking out that much. Yuck. Okay. This slime didn't really work out, but better not luck next time. Okay, bye.